In this video, I am going to speak about the structural aspects of this home renovation. Welcome to the renovation story of this 20 years old house that is located in JP Nagar, Bangalore. I am Harini Chandrasekhar, the Chief Architect at Inkstone Infra, the #1 home renovation company in Bangalore. The scope of the works involved here are structural renovation and interior design. In this video, I am going to speak about the structural aspects of this home renovation. The look of this house was outdated. So, we have designed a contemporary style of front elevation to uplift the face of this house. Take a look at the exterior design. Coming to the internal structure, this house lacked proper space planning. There were 3 bathrooms, one attached to the master bedroom and 2 common bathrooms. One of the entrance of the common bathroom was from the outside, from the setbacks. This made the space planning of this house difficult. And also, the master bedroom was smaller. The bathroom was right here. So, we gave the right solution through structural renovation and interior space planning. We demolished the existing bathrooms and constructed 2 new bathrooms. One attached to the master bedroom and the common bathroom that has an entrance from the living room. Not just the bathrooms, even the wardrobe placement in this house was wrong, especially in the master bedroom. The earlier wardrobes were on this wall. This further made the space in the master bedroom smaller. By doing these structural changes and with the right interior space planning, the master bedroom became spacious. Take a look at the old living room before structural renovation. There was a lack of functionality in the living area because the TV was mounted on the corner wall and this gave no space for the placement of sofa in the right direction. We have solved the space planning and functionality issues of this house through interior design. I will speak about the interior design in my next video. Until then, stay tuned. For old home renovations in Bangalore, call us today. For more videos on home renovation, interior design and architectural construction in Bangalore, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you.